Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have started to try this American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax beads. I am an aspiring candle maker. This really came highly recommended, and one of the first things I noticed about it was the consistency of it. You can see how there's just these little tiny beads. It doesn't get all over the place when you have a spoon to scoop the measurements out. It doesn't get all over the spoon. It is really easy to use. It melts really evenly and quickly. It does show what this wax is capable of. You can melt it to 160, so it's good to have a thermometer with you. There also is a microwave instructions. I don't have a lot of experience with that, but when I did put it on a hot plate, it melted very evenly, very quickly. It was nice. It says you can add the fragrance and the color at 160. I usually wait for it to cool down a little bit more, but it is nice to know that you can do those things even at a higher temperature. And I really noticed it had a good cold throw, which is the smell of the candle when it's not lit, and then the hot throw, which is the smell of the candle when it's lit. This is such a great option of wax. There's no mess. It really just makes a very high quality candle for ones who are wanting to make gifts for friends who just really like candles and want to make a customized candle, or for those who are even wanting to start their own business. A great option, and that's my point of view.